let nobody tell you you can't start your locks because it ain't feminine. What you saying, gals and gents? Welcome back to my YouTube channel where we live life the affordable way. Today we're going to be discussing locks and femininity. This is always a topic that comes up, and this is just something I'll defend every time. Locks are indeed feminine. Let's just start with that. People have to realize femininity more so relates to your essence rather than solely your appearance. And I feel like this is where people get things mixed up, because at the end of the day it depends on the kind of person you are and how you portray yourself. So locks and femininity do go together because it depends on the kind of person, not how your hair is. But I ain't gonna lie, in the early stages of locks, we do battle with femininity just because locks go through so much different stages and you will never know the full outcome of the stage. I am also a victim of saying locks aren't feminine. I always used to talk locks ain't really for women like that until I get it myself. And I see other beautiful ladies with locks and I was like, man, locks for everybody. And I blame society at the end of the day, because society really have you thinking that you need braids or wigs to look good or look your true self. Like even some people who wear their natural hair, they get judged for their natural hair, or used to, because now everybody is more so welcoming to the natural hair community and everybody trying to get back natural. You know, back then, in those times, people always used to make you feel like if you wear your natural hair, it's almost like it's a crime, like you gotta cover it up. But nowadays, everybody rather just embrace the beauty of being natural. I'll never forget, I was to work. This is a little quick story time. I was to work, and one lady come to me and she is like, why you do that to your hair? These exact words. I hate people with locks. I don't know why girls do that to their hair, why they damage their hair. Let her know. First of all, I stop it right there. It's my hair. That's number one. What I choose to do with my hair don't concern you at all. And how I feel about it versus how you feel about it don't even matter. I don't know why people feel like they're so comfortable with coming to you about how you do your hair. Like, just mind your own business. And I mean, she was deliberately saying she don't like women who wear locks. Like, she don't know why girls do that to her hair. And like, it was so offensive. But at the end of the day, people always gonna have their opinions. You can't change people's opinion. Freedom of speech is really a thing. Everybody struggles with femininity. Whether you have locks, you struggle with femininity, or whether you have natural hair, you struggle with femininity at a point. Even braids or wigs, you still struggle with feminine. For locks, the reason why we struggle with femininity in the beginning stage is because not having a clean look all the time can be hard for most people. And with locks, you can retwist your hair 24/7. That's like something you can do. That's why I always tell people, do your research before you start locks, because if you know not having your hair fixed or in that clean look all the time is going to bother you, take your time before you start. And then there can be some misconceptions with people who get locks, like either they smoke, I get that a few times, or you don't eat chicken, or you don't eat meat. Another misconception you can get locks is that you're gay. Then you have people who are not confident within themselves, and they also struggle with femininity just because they aren't even comfortable in their own skin, or they don't have that confident mindset, so therefore they do struggle with femininity at a point in time. Another reason people also struggle with femininity is because of the comparisons that we get to men. Like men, they can wear their hair down to their backs with locks and not be judged, versus women when they first start their locks. You know, plenty of people had this misconception that locks was only for men, like I said in the beginning. But just like a pants, it's versatile and anybody can wear it. It just depends on how you wear it. And even if you wear it the normal way, the regular way, the freeform way, it don't matter. It all depends on the individual. I remember I get this question. Somebody said this one time ago, think I could get a man if I have locks? They gotta realize these niggas don't care. They'll go with any and everything. Let's just start with that. Your locks is not going to affect your dating life, okay? Just know that. But you know what I'll say about locks and femininity? Those very same people who be judging you when you're in the early parts of your locks is be the very ones complimenting your locks when they get extremely long, and hating on your hair and be wishing, oh, they had hair like that. So you can't really let people's opinion get to you. And when you're passionate about your locks and how you grow them and the time you take to grow them and the discipline that you had to learn and the patience, you ain't gonna let what nobody say get you, because they was not on a journey with you. The only thing that matters is how you feel inside and outside with your locks. But I ain't gonna lie, there can be times when you get frustrated. It ain't easy. It's not arcing the right way. Like, you know, sometimes your edges don't be laying. Sometimes your hair just ain't fixing right how you wanted to fix. It's just times, and we are human. Everybody goes through that at a point in time. And this is where self-care comes in, because you might be blaming it on your hair, but it could also be how you feeling inside. So it's good to, you know, take care. Like, if you're stressful, just do a wash day, oil your locks, and do some little self-care, some little facial masks, say some affirmations, speak positivity and light into yourself for when those bad days, for when those bad lock days come, so you could be able to deal with your lock. It can knock your confidence when you're going through those bad times, and you can be in your head. So you just keep not focusing on the bad all the time, but bad will come. And nothing can piss you off more than when you're having a bad lock day and people come to you and be like, oh, why you ain't retwisting your hair? What you mean why I'm retwisting my hair? Because I don't feel like retwisting my hair. And please don't go off people telling you to retwist your hair because they do not know what you going through or why you can't retwist your hair, or if your hair just not too long come out of retwist. They don't know the thinning that's gonna happen. They don't know the scalp soreness that's gonna happen. I just wanted to do this locks and femininity video because a lot of people struggle with it, like inside and out, and people need to realize, like, don't let nobody tell you you can't start your locks because it ain't feminine. Always remember, it's about essence. Femininity is about essence. When you feel good, you look good. Just the bottom line. But this was just a little lock encouragement. I hope you guys enjoy my little chit chat about locks and femininity. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also drop down in the comment what femininity means to you. Thank you.